An orgasm a day keeps the doctor away. Why I have daily orgasms. Hey and welcome back to a new video from the Life School YouTube channel. Orgasm is a natural and wild experience that brings immense pleasure, satisfaction, and relaxation to our body and mind. Sexual fantasies, libido, and physical pleasure have been an integral part of human life since ancient times. However, in the modern world, people are often too busy and stressed, and their sexual and emotional needs often go unfulfilled. Moreover, the idea of having daily orgasms has been met with skepticism, doubts, and even shame. However, in this video, we will explore the benefits, myths, and scientific evidence of why having an orgasm a day keeps the doctor away. Chapter 1. What is an orgasm, and how it happens? An orgasm is a climax of sexual pleasure that usually involves rapid contractions of the genital muscles, followed by a feeling of release, pleasure, and relaxation. Orgasms can be triggered through various sexual activities, such as masturbation, intercourse, oral sex, anal sex, or even by erotic fantasies, dreams, or imaginations. Male and female orgasms differ in some ways, but the basic mechanism is similar. During sexual stimulation, blood flow to the genitals increases, leading to a heightened state of arousal, and eventually to orgasm. Chapter 2. The history and cultural significance of orgasms. Orgasms have been an integral part of human history, culture, and mythology since ancient times. The ancient Greeks and Romans celebrated sexual pleasure and invented various sexual tools and aids such as dildos, lubricants, aphrodisiacs, erotic art, and literature. In many cultures, sexual pleasure was seen as a way to connect with the divine, attain spiritual enlightenment or social status. However, the sexual revolution of the 1960s and 1970s brought about a radical change in attitudes towards sexual liberation, gender equality, and sexual health. Today, orgasms are seen as a natural, healthy, and enjoyable aspect of human sexuality that should be explored and celebrated. Chapter 3. The benefits of having an orgasm a day. Having an orgasm a day can bring numerous benefits to our physical, emotional, and mental health. Here are some of the most significant benefits of having daily orgasms. Stress relief. Orgasms release endorphins and oxytocin that promote feelings of relaxation, happiness, and stress relief. Pain relief. Orgasms can alleviate pain by releasing endorphins that act as natural painkillers. Improved sleep. Orgasms can improve sleep by promoting relaxation and releasing natural sedatives. Improved immune system. Orgasms can boost the immune system by increasing the production of antibodies and reducing stress hormones. Improved heart health. Orgasms can improve heart health by increasing blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Improved self-esteem. Orgasms can boost self-esteem and confidence by promoting sexual empowerment and satisfaction. Improved relationship satisfaction. Orgasms can improve relationship satisfaction by promoting intimacy, communication, and sexual compatibility. Chapter 4. Common myths and misconceptions about orgasms. Despite the numerous benefits of orgasms, there are still many myths and misconceptions surrounding this topic. Here are some of the most common myths and misconceptions about orgasms. Orgasms are only for young people. Orgasms can be enjoyed at any age and are not limited to young people. Orgasms are only for men. Women can experience multiple orgasms and enjoy sexual pleasure as much as men do. Orgasms always involve intercourse. Orgasms can be achieved through various sexual activities, such as masturbation, oral sex, anal sex, or even by erotic fantasies and imaginations. Orgasms are always loud and intense. Orgasms can be quiet and subtle, and are not always accompanied by loud moans or convulsions. Chapter 5. The science behind orgasms. Scientists have been studying the physiology and psychology of orgasms for decades, and have made significant progress in understanding this complex phenomenon. Here are some of the most important findings and theories about the science of orgasms. Brain activity. During an orgasm, various regions of the brain become active, including the prefrontal cortex, amygdala, hippocampus, and basal ganglia. These areas are associated with emotions, memories, and pleasure. Hormones. Orgasms release various hormones such as oxytocin, endorphins, dopamine, and prolactin, which promote feelings of relaxation, pleasure, and bonding. Muscle contractions. During an orgasm, the genital muscles contract rapidly, releasing tension and promoting pleasure. Pain relief and stress relief. The release of endorphins during an orgasm can act as natural painkillers and promote stress relief. Multiple orgasms. Women can experience multiple orgasms due to their ability to continue sexual arousal after orgasm without losing interest. Chapter 6. How to have an orgasm a day. Now that we have explored the benefits, myths, and science of orgasms, you may wonder how to have daily orgasms. Here are some tips and techniques to help you achieve daily orgasms. Masturbation. Masturbation is the most straightforward and accessible way to achieve an orgasm a day. Experiment with different techniques, porn, toys, or fantasies to find what works best for you. Communication. Communication is key to achieving daily orgasms with a partner. Share your sexual desires, fantasies, and preferences with your partner, and explore new ways of pleasuring each other. Exercise. Exercise can improve blood flow, stamina, and overall sexual health, leading to more frequent and intense orgasms. Relaxation. Stress, anxiety, and tension can interfere with your ability to achieve an orgasm. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to promote relaxation and enhance sexual pleasure. Experimentation. Exploration, experimentation, and open-mindedness are crucial to achieving daily orgasms. Try new positions, techniques, or toys, and be creative in your sexual expression. In conclusion, having an orgasm a day can bring numerous benefits to our physical, emotional, and mental health. Despite the myths and misconceptions surrounding orgasms, science has confirmed that orgasms are a natural and healthy aspect of human sexuality that should be explored and celebrated. By practicing communication, relaxation, and experimentation, anyone can achieve daily orgasms and reap the rewards of sexual pleasure, satisfaction, and intimacy. So, don't hesitate to prioritize your sexual health and well-being, and let the orgasmic journey begin. If you like this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.